Hello everyone, hope you have done well in your board exam. I am discussing the paper 30/1/2 this year 2026 paper only. So first question in this, the natural number 2 it is not a composite number, it is a prime number. So option 1 A is the correct answer. For second, for all natural number n 6 to the power n ends with the digit, as you can put the n value 1, 2, 3 anything, it will end to 6 only. So for 2, option B is the correct choice. Next, the HCF of 960 and 432. So 960 comes out to be 2 to the power 6 into 3 into 5, and 432 comes out to be 2 to the power 4 into 3, which gives you HCF as 48. So third, option A is your correct choice. So fourth one, for an event E, probability of event and probability of not having an event is given to you x, and you know probability of event and its complement is always equal to 1. That means your x is equal to 1. So 1 square minus 3 will give you minus 2. So fourth one, option A is the correct choice. And this is not official CBSE answer sheet. So please, some students are having their answer are varying from my answer, so it's fine. This is not official answer sheet. The graph of y f of x is given in the number of the zeros. So this is what x-axis. So here the graph is not touching any of the point on the x-axis. That means for this the number of zeros are 0 itself. So fifth, A is the correct answer. Sixth, if the pair of linear equation in two variable is represented by two coincident line, then the pair of equation has, in this, if they are coincident line, that means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. That means it has infinitely many solution. So for this, D is the correct answer. So for the next question, seventh, if the first term of AP is given P, so A is given to you P, and the difference D is given to you Q, you have to find A10, which comes out to be P plus 9Q. So C is the correct answer for the seventh one. Shown that below three triangles, the measure of two adjacent sides included angle are given for each triangle. So in this question, as you can see, P corresponds to Z, and the ratio is, if you calculate the ratio, will come out to be 2:3. So Q corresponds to your Y, and R corresponds to X. So RPQ triangle is similar to XZY. So option A is the correct answer. So 8th A. Next, the midpoint of the line segment 5, -4 and 6, 4 lies on. So 5 plus 6 by 2 will give you 11 by 2, and next is -4 plus 4 divided by 2, which is 0. So it lies on x-axis. So 9th A is the correct answer. For 10th one, if cos y is equal to 0, that means y comes out to be 90 degree. Cos theta is 0 at 90 degree. So 1 by 2 cos y by 2, cos y by 2, 90 by 2 is 45 degree, and cos 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So D is the correct answer for this question. Next, if cos A is 1 by 2, cos A is 1 by 2, that means A is 60 degree. So putting the value of A 60 degree, you will get 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, which gives you 5 by 4. So B is the correct answer for 11th one. 12th, a car is moving away from the base of 30-meter high tower. So this is given 30-meter high. The angle of elevation of top of the tower when the car is 10 root 3 meter away. You have to find this angle theta. So tan theta equal to 30 by 10 root 3. 0 0 cancel, multiplying by root 3 and root 3. So theta comes out to be 60 degree. So for this, D is the correct answer. TP and TQ are two tangent to the circle with the center O with external point T, so that POQ is 120 degree. In that case, PTQ comes out to be 60 degree. If you draw two tangent to the circle and POQ is, this angle is given 120 degree, then this angle will comes out to be 60 degree. So 13th A is the correct answer. So 14th question. In the given figure, PA is tangent from the point external point this. You have to find angle APO. So this angle you can calculate easily. This is your 90. You will get this. Or otherwise you can take angle POB as your exterior angle, and again you will calculate. You will get in both case same answer, 35 degree. So for 14th, D is the correct choice. For the 15th question, the length of the arc of the sector of a circle with radius 21 centimeter and the central angle is 60 degree. So you know the length of the arc will be theta by 360. So 60 by 360 into 2 pi r. R is given to us as 21. So 0.06673. So this will cancel out. Your arc comes out to be 22 centimeter. So for 15th, A is the correct answer. For the next question, the hour hand of the clock is 7 centimeter long. The angle swept by it between 7 a.m. to 8:10 a.m. So the time is 1 hour and 10 minutes. Converting everything into hours, you will get 1 plus 10 by 60, which gives you 7 by 6 hours. And 360 divided by 12, because there are 12, so which gives you 30 degree, and 30 degree into 7 by 6 will give you the angle. So this comes out to be 35 degree. So for this question, C is the correct answer. So 16th, C is the correct answer. So for the next question, the total surface area of a solid sphere. So a solid sphere, hemisphere, surface area is what? 3 pi r square, and where r is given to you as d, because diameter is given 2d. Just putting the value, you will get 3 pi d square. So for this question, 17th, A is the correct answer. If the mean and mode of the data is 12 and 21, then its median, so 3 median equal to 2 mean, which is 12, plus mode, which is 21. So this is 24 plus 21, which comes out to be 45. So your median comes out to be 15. So 18th question, C is the correct answer. So in the next, the probability that the leap year has 53 Mondays is 2 by 7. This is correct. Assertion is correct. The probability that non-leap year has 53 Mondays is 5 by 7. Reason is false. So for the 19th one, A is true and R is false. So C is the correct option. 20th question, the polynomial py equal to y square plus 4y plus 3 has 2 zeros. The quadratic polynomial has at most 2 zeros. This is a quadratic equation, so it will be having at most 2 zeros. A is true. Reason is also true. So A is the correct option for this.